队，包括世锦赛亚洲的历史上是一支实力的传统强队。其实，在最早。
A shadow petting a shadow.
姐姐放肆情绪，可谓进入社交现象。阿全的。
Sometimes a kitten's innate talents will be discovered at the most unexpected times. Want a ballroom dance but need a partner? The tail is here to help. Since they're besties, they're so in sync, they could finish each other's sentences. As Kitty's body grows, her actions become more mindless. Even though the cat's not a professional magician, he still managed to freak Dad out with his act.
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
He can even join the money heist team with this skill.
What?
For those wondering what Kitty uses their intelligence and enthusiasm for the most. I don't know anything. I've been in my house ever since.
妈，巴布进笼子啦！呀，巴布要被收拾啦！
What if Meow loved to pursue a fast-paced lifestyle?
再来吧，在这里，在这里，在这里，看到没有啊？好，嘿。
The orange tomcat had a wild night on the town and returned home to face the music from his missus.
咋了？快上来，快上来！他快上来！还带了一个猫。
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake. Slithery and...
Together, they must have created countless memorable memories for each other. Hello, I'm Kitty. Can we give each other a high five? Ellie's cat has completed a sacred mission, helping the floor cleaner. The moment he owns this car, this house is completely his. Look at these children have found their new home.
Allah. Salak. Efsun yetiş. Koş.
If you think you need a cat to chase away the mice. Hello, may I? Hey, I'm very polite. Where are you going?
Mimi.
Sleep couldn't stop him from showing off his new best friend.
Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
你这么想进去是吧？你要进去是吧？
Let a cat babysit, and your baby will come back speaking fluent meow.
Can I have this leg? What about this leg?
Remember to ask permission before doing the next step.
Can I have your neck?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oh, you're so brave. Once I get there, you'll pay the price. It seems Kitty's afraid her tail will get lost. He probably lost all hope of waiting for his bestie to be mature. surprises can come at any time, but she is the Flash. This must be the Perry the Kitty version running away to complete a mission. Thanks for being there with these guys, and have a great day.